So today in this video we are going to learn how to create a Spring Boot project from the scratch. So for that in this video we are going to create a order create API in the Spring Boot. So first of all we need to create a Spring Boot project. For that we need to came on this website start.sprint.io and fill out the basic information like the language, project, Spring Boot version, project metadata, Java versions, and on top of that we are going to add these two dependencies just to help us to write the code faster. Like we don't need to write the getter and setter and all those details, so these will automatically handled by these dependencies. So after entering all those details we need to click on generate. So once we click on generate, it will download a zip file and we need to unzip it and open in our any code editor whichever you are using. So after opening that zip file, we are getting this kind of screen. So let's say we are going to create a order create API itself using a Spring Boot. So if you are saying that the order create API we are going to, so first we are going to define the order model for that. So let's create a order class, find the package like class bad. Okay, so in order what are the things we have? One is the order ID, that is string. Okay, another one is product name, and the last one as of now we are taking the price. And creating a default constructor also. In it we are taking two more params, that is string as a product, tell me the name of the product and tell me the price of it. Now setting the product name to product and price to per price. Sure, now these are done. So we also need a getter and setter. For that we are using this. Nice. So after that, like this is like auto object, but as we are going to define the API we need a order request object also. So let's create then order request object. Same thing, like, but यहाँ पे we only have product name and the price. And for that also we need a getter and setter. Nice. So our order object is ready, order request object is ready. So let's create a order service. So here we are creating service, so we need to define, like we need to tell the Spring Boot this is my service file. Class order service, and what we are going to do, we need to do a order create. And what is the like response of order create? The order object itself. So order create we are going to do here, and it's take two parameters, string product comma double price. and from here we are going to return new order comma price. So in future if you want to add order status and all those things, you just enter here and add all those details for that. Yeah. So let's write the main functionality, the order component. Yeah. So like the here we are writing the endpoints, whatever we are going to call. Because mapping will help us like to define the base endpoint. I'm saying that okay, my base is slash order, and in it I have like slash order slash create slash order slash status. So like that, public class order component. So for the order component I need a object for the order service also, right? So let me make that public static service, and let's make a constructor for this order component also. That will take the service as parent. Okay, so pretty clear as of now. So let's create a first API. I'm saying that the okay, it's my post API, so I'm adding a post mapping here, saying that okay, my base is slash order, but after that I need to check if is it create there or not. If it's create there, call this function that will return you the order, and the function name is order create. Order create have the request type, so we need to say request body. Request body we create it with the name of order request, ordj. I am as in given a name as of now. So what we are going to do here, we are going to do return order service dot create order create dot ord dot j dot get order comma g dot get price. Yeah, so this is our order create object itself. Let's try to run it. Let's go. Some error. Okay. This is a request body. Let's run it again, see if it's work now or not. Yeah, compilation is done. So let's try to hit the API. So what API we create? We create the API slash order slash create. Let's go to Postman, enter the slash order slash create. What is the object type? This is the object type, that is product and price. We are passing the product and price. Let's hit it, and we get this. Okay, if we are getting the order ID as a null. Why? Because we are not setting here. So let's set it order ID also. this dot id equals to uuid dot random uid dot toString. Let's rerun the project. Okay, we restart the server. Let's hit this API again. I'm saying okay, now price is 110. Oh, see, nice. Okay, sure. So this is basic about order create API, like how to create a simple server with the Spring Boot. So in future, if you want to add on, you can go to the order component. You can play with this. Like as of now, we just create a order, but like you can add order status, order update APIs also same way. And yes, that is pretty much. So if you want to like okay, so this is REST controller. This will help you, like this will tell the Spring Boot to whatever my response body is always to be a JSON. So this is that, and request mapping is like your base URL. That is your request mapping thing, and we are using somewhere data, right? So data is basically telling you like it's automatically assign you the get and setters. And we also use this no argument constructor. This will, as a name only suggests, it will create a constructor by themselves. So yeah, this is pretty much about the how we can create a Spring Boot project from very basic. Sure. So let's hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.